Hello guys, so today is 26th February and today is the last day of the last trading day of the month February 2021. So let's talk about the today's trade. So actually I did a couple of mistakes today because of my emotions or psychology, whatever it is. Because of this I was unable to take my positions. Maybe it's because of the lack of confidence, maybe it's because of the lack of backtesting, maybe because of this thing. I know this thing will happen. It shows me according to my all the rules and all the things that I was learned from my teacher, but I didn't place my trade because of the fear, or because of the fear of losing money, or because of the lack of confidence. That's why I was unable to place my trade today. So let me explain the first trade I was getting in the morning. So according to the astrology strategy, and this is the level where is coming from. This is my buying level and this is my selling level, right? So first thing in the morning when I was waking up after 9:35, here this candle, there was a rules called the smart money tracking. According to the rules of the smart money tracking, if any astrology, if a candle is rejected from any kind of astrology level, and with a 70% weak or rejection, whatever it is, and if the price is close below the VWAP price, then you should enter your trade with the lower low formation. According to this is the candle which having also a 70% weak, and this is a kind of reversal kind of trading candle. And not only that, but also I have a sufficient reason for going short. First thing, when I was wake up in the morning, and okay, so let me first start with the 1 day chart. First thing I was see in the 1 day chart, this is a very good trend line support. As you can see, market is going up again here. From this market is, so from 2 days I was expecting a bullish momentum from this level, but here what thing is happened, market is opened as a gap down, and market is just below our trend line. Now the trend line is act as a resistance. This is the first confirmation that I get, that I must have to go through the selling position, not the buying. So this is not only that, I also get many other confirmations also. As you can see, this is the 200 moving average, which is also price is just below this level, which is act as a very good resistance. So this moving average also protect me from going up, because the price is closed just below this level. If the price is closing just above this level, it act as a, maybe it act as a support, but here it is just below. It was just open gap down, and it is just below the 200 moving average. So these are the two confirmation I will get to going with the sell side, right? So let's come to the back this chart. So again I was seeing a very good rejection. This is also the reversal candle, and this fulfills all my rules. So according to this, my entry must have to be at this position. Yeah, this position, this, yeah, it will be at this position, and my SL would be just little bit above the previous candle. If I was considered it will like this, then my target would be like, yeah, so I am expecting a target of around something like 2.8 or something like this. So this is my first target, right? And as you can see, price is heated very rapidly, market is dropped, and here if I was hold my position to this level, then it would be a very good profit. As you can see, if I was trailing my SL and I was just put my SL here, then the price is goes down, then I was put my SL here, then same thing I was put my SL here, then it's going down, then SL, then finally we are just exiting market from this level. So it would be around 3.8 is more than very good for the intraday trading. So then it was the first trade. So let me go to the 1 hour chart, then it will be very good. So it was the time around when these two big candles was formed, and this is my previously is a very strong resistance level. So this was my previously acted, I mean I was draw this very strong SNR level from this level. So market is unable to break this level, right? So here I was draw this particular level 1307 and 1301, and first market is completely break this level, and second those two candles are forming here was unable to break, unable to close above this particular my resistance level. So now it was finally broken and acts as a resistance. From this level I was seeing these three candles is a, I mean, downside momentum. This may be the retracement candle. I was thought this may be the retracement candle. I was thought to going for the sell side, but the same reason happened. I didn't, I was just placed my order exactly, my entry was exactly right here, and but I didn't place my order because of same thing, lack of discipline, lack of confidence, and the lack of backtesting. Due to these reasons I was unable to place my trade. So same thing why I was considered this level for the trading. So if I draw a Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low is here that time. As you can see, okay, so this is the 38.2. Market was unable to break this level and it was just rejected from this level, and this is also the very strong resistance level at this moment. So market was very hard to break this level, and also VWAP price is above, VW is above our, I mean VW is above our price. So it acts as a very good resistance. It was a very good setup that I didn't place my trade. So then the next support and demand area is here, this level 1275. Okay, so this level 1273.81 and 1275.93. So this is the next support area. So I was just place my order right here, but because of this same reason I didn't place my order here, I just cancel it. Okay, so this is according to this, my entry would be right here and my SL is just above here, and my target is here. It's around 2.611 is to 2.61. This is a pretty good risk reward ratio for the intraday trading, but because of my stupidity, my mistake, the lack of discipline, lack of confidence, I didn't, I was just placed my order here, but again I was just cancel it. I didn't follow my plan. I was planned this trade. If these things happen, then I will place then I will react according to what happens. I was react right, but because of the discipline, because of the lack of discipline, lack of confidence, I didn't place my trade. I was feared, right? So these are the very good two trading opportunity I missed today. So I'm really regretting, because if I was backtesting and practice more and more, then these things will never happen. But from right now I will try to practice more and more, and I will really accept it. This was my mistake. If I didn't make money from the stock market, then it was then the reason behind is me, because it's because of the lack of practice, right? I hope these mistakes I would never made any kind of in upcoming days. So I will try to change myself. I will do work hard and improve myself. I will practice again and again until I will succeed. So that's all. That's the two trades, very good trades that I was missed today. I'm really regretting it, and okay, let's see.